This video has been created to show you how to assemble most exercise bikes that come with a manually adjusted resistance system. The model you may have may not be exactly the same, so it is vital that you use your manual as the main guide for assembly. Remove the scraps from the box and open it up. Take out what you can from the top and then place it to the side. Here you will find the tools. These will be all you need to assemble your machine. There are also some bolts and screws. Once you've removed all you can from the top, carefully lay the box down and remove the straps. Cut the sides off the box so that you can open the top like a lid. Now take out the rest of the equipment. This is the instruction manual. This should be your main guide and will take you through the assembly and tips on use. It is very important that you follow the instructions in correct order. Remove the unit and stand it up. Slide bolts into the stands and place them under the base of the machine. Tighten the bolts. The stand with the wheels is attached to the front of the machine. Now attach the pedals. These will only go on one way and will screw in different directions on either side. Use the supplied tool to tighten them. Attach the pedal straps, making sure the plain side is facing up. Unscrew the bolts at the base of the arm housing. The tensioner's lower knob goes in the lower clasp and the top slots in higher. Now connect the cable. It will only go together one way. As the tension knob is rotated to the right, the numbers increase, which means the tension will increase. This pulls on the cable, lifting the tensioner and increasing the overall tension or resistance. Rotating to the left releases the pressure, lowering resistance. Once that is done, slide the arm onto the machine and secure the bolts. Remove the screws from on the arm and attach the cup holder. Put onto the T-handle a washer, then a spring washer, then the casing. Then the black plastic cover, followed by the metal plate. Holding the bike handles in place as shown, screw this assembly some of the way onto the arm. Now onto this bolt, add a spring washer, then a normal washer. Attach this to the top half of the metal. It's okay if the black plastic is loose at this point. Swing the black plastic cover over the metal plate and push firmly. Tighten both the top bolt and the T-handle. The T-handle will be what you use to adjust the bike handles. Slide the seat stand into the machine and fasten with the height adjuster. To use the height adjustment knob in the future, turn 4 times and pull out. From there you will be able to raise or lower the seat stand. Then just push back in and turn back 4 times. Bolt the seat onto the seat plate. Remove the knob and keep track of where the plate is inside the seat plate. Reattach the seat knob through the seat stand into the seat plate. Screw on the seat side covers. Now unscrew the screws from the back of the console. Unsecure the wires at the top of the bike arm. The lower wire is the heart rate monitor and will need to go through the hole in the arm and fed up to the console. Attach the cables from the console to the ones coming up through the arm. Now push the cable plug into the hole and pull the wires through so they sit tight and out of the way. Screw on the console. When moving the machine, pull back on the handlebars and wheel it carefully. This video has been created to show you how to assemble most exercise bikes that come with a manually adjusted resistance system. The model you may have may not be exactly the same, so it is vital that you use your manual as the main guide for assembly. Remove the scraps from the box and open it up. Take out what you can from the top and then place it to the side. Here you will find the tools. These will be all you need to assemble your machine. There are also